Seth Gifford, Gifford Construction. We mostly do remodeling, but like this project here, it's a small addition, screen 3-season porch and deck addition, but we do new construction as well. We do kitchen remodels, bath remodels, decks like this, porches. We're a general contractor, so we take care of the whole project, start to finish. Something else that we specialize in is certified aging in place, geared towards people who want to stay in their homes rather than going to an assisted living facility. We can retrofit existing structures, or when we do a big remodeling project, we can focus on preparing for the future for them to stay there. And it doesn't just have to be with people who are aging, but people who are getting into accidents, or just people with certain disabilities that need specialized construction. And what I really enjoy the most is large whole house gut remodels, where we're really transforming whole houses into something new and special. Ultimately, our goal, my goal, is that at the end of a project, everybody's happy with what we've done, with what we've created. What we're leaving them with is something that is going to be built to last, built with integrity. Is that at the end of the day, you can step back, look at what you've created and be proud about it, and know that your clients are going to have something that they're going to be really happy with. People that work with me and my crew realize that we're just honest, we're very transparent. We don't cut corners, we don't do things the cheapest way by any means. We can tell you what we can do well for you, whether it be a small remodel project, an entire house gut, or a new house. We're ready to do it all, so just give us a call.